Welcome everyone. So let's talk about the exercise 7.4. So in question 1 it says that find the equation of line passing through the point -3 comma 2 with gradient 2. So this is m and this is x1 y1. So you are given with the point and slope, so you just need to use this formula, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1, slope point form, and just substitute the value and simplify and you will get what you need. In question 2 it says that the line L has gradient 3, m equal to 3, and cuts x-axis at 4, cuts x-axis at 4. So the line is cutting x-axis at this point 4. So y coordinate must be 0. So this is basically the point 4 comma 0. So you call this x1, this y1, and this is your m. So you just need to use y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So far so good. Let's move to question number 3. In question 3 it is giving you 2 points and asking you to find out the equation. So there are 4 parts, but I'll be doing only one part, and I'll be doing part D. I am given with 2 points. One point is A, which is a comma 0, and the other point is B, which is 2a comma 3a. Because we are given with 2 points, so we are in case 2 of the previous video. So we need to calculate slope first, and slope is going to be y2 minus y1. This is 3a minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 2a minus a, and what we get 3a over a, which is basically 3. So now we can use either this point or this point along with this slope. So let's take this point a comma 0 and slope is 3. This is x1 y1. So y minus y1 is 0, m is 3, x minus x1, y equal to 3x minus 3a. If there wasn't any calculational mistake, so this is going to be the answer. Let's move to question number 4. In question number 4 it says that write down the equation of the straight line given by, in A it says gradient minus 3 and y-intercept c equal to 2. So we have seen that if we are given with slope and intercept, then we will use this form, y equal to mx plus c. So this is going to be y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. Similarly in B part, m is minus 2 and c is 5, so equation is going to be minus 2x plus 5 simply. So let's talk about question number 5. In question 5 it says find where the following cut the x-axis and the y-axis, hence sketch these lines. So it is asking you about the y-intercept and x-intercepts. Cutting x-axis means x-intercept, cutting y-axis means y-intercept. So I'll be doing only one part, that is A, which is y equal to 2x minus 4. I want a point where this line cuts x-axis, so y must be 0. So 0 equal to 2x minus 4, and when you solve this you get x equal to 2. So 2 comma 0 is the point where this line cuts x-axis. Similarly, for the point on y-axis we need to set x to be 0. So this is going to be minus 4. So it is 0 comma minus 4 is the point where line cuts y-axis. So let's sketch the line. So 2 comma 0 is going to be 2 comma 0, and then we have 0 comma minus 4. So it is on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 0 comma minus 4. So the line should go like this. Sorry. This is going to be the line that is passing through these 2 points. It says that in question 6 that a line joining the point A, which is minus 1 comma 3, and B, which is 5, 15 meets the axis at P and Q. So let's say it is meeting x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. Find the equation of AB. So first you can calculate the equation of this line. First we need to find slope, which is 15 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 1 equal to 12 over 6, which is 2. So you can use slope point form. That is going to be y minus y1. Let me take this point y minus y1 equal to x m x minus x1. So line is going to be y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now this line is meeting x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. So for x-axis y must be 0. So you set 0 and solve this. So you get x equal to minus 5 over 2. So the point P is minus 5 over 2 comma 0. For point Q we need to set x equal to 0 and y becomes 5. So point Q becomes 0 comma 5. So at P line meets x-axis and at Q line meets y-axis. Now it says calculate the length of PQ. So it is going to be distance between P and Q. So this is my x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So now you calculate x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It's your job to do that, to finish it. Let's move to question number 7. Find in terms of t the equation of the line through the point. One point is given by t comma 0 and the other point, the gradient is t, which is m equal to t, and this is x1 y1. Okay, so it says find, and then it says that find the values of t for which the line passing through the point 5 comma 6. If this line is passing through this point, then find t. First we will calculate the equation y minus y1 equal to m, which is t x minus x1. This is going to be y is equal to tx minus t square. Now since line is passing through this point, so it must satisfy this x5 and y6. Now you solve this quadratic equation and get the values of t. Let's move to question number 8. In question 8 it says find the equation of the line with gradient 1 over t and which passes through the point t square comma 2t. So if this line is passing through minus 2 comma 1, find the possible values of t. So this is x1 y1, so you just need y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, sorry, x minus x1. Now this line is passing through this point. The point is minus 2 comma 1. So you just need y1 and x minus 2. So you just need to simplify this equation and solve it for t. Then we have question 9. In question 9 it says that if the line through the point A, which is minus 2 comma 3 with gradient m1 over 2 also passes through the point 3 comma k, find the value of k. So from this information we can find this line y minus y1 m x minus x1. Now since this line is passing through this point, so you can put 3 in place of y and x to be k in place of x, and then you can solve for k. Okay, so we need to talk about the last question of this exercise, which is question number 10. And question number 10 it says that a line of gradient 3, so m is 3, passing through the point A, which is minus 1 comma 6, meets x-axis at B. Another line through A meets the x-axis at C. So this is line L1. There is another line L2 which is passing through A and meets x-axis at C, which is 2 comma 0. First it says find the equation of AB and of AC. For equation of AB, so you are given with slope and point. This is your slope and this is your point. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So you just need to simplify to get 3x plus 9 maybe. And then you need the equation of AC also. For AC you are given with these 2 points. So you just first calculate the slope of this AC and then you will use the formula of slope point with this. Then it says calculate the area of ABC. So once you have these points A, B and C, so A is minus 1 comma 6, minus 1 comma 6. B is going to be calculated from this where it meets x-axis. So y should be 0, so it is minus 3 comma 0, and C is 2 comma 0. So now you can plot these points and you can see that it is minus 3 over here, minus 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 0, and then minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6 is somewhere over here, so this is going to be this way. And then you can find this as height and then this as base, so area is 1 over 2 base into height. This is open for you to do it, to complete it. Thank you so much.